Okay, so I'm totally excited. I think this would be our last video because we are finally we are just close to finish up our admin panel, right? And in this video we'll be work on our logout part. So if I just say admin slash logout, the route, the redirection part. So if I just go to web.php, that exists, right? Admin slash logout. Okay, and then it's redirecting us to a logout method that we just didn't create it yet. So we just say public function logout, and then we can say auth. The name of the guard is quite important because when you say, for example, you say auth just logout, for example, like this, like you just don't push the guard here. That will destroy your auth sessions. So that's not good idea. You should define your guard name as well to log out your guard. Okay, and then of course we need to say session flush message, and the name of the message, you have been logged out, and then of course return redirect back us to admin slash login. And simply if you just go to our login, and then if I just say if session has any message, for example, if session has message, then alert inside our class alert, success alert basically. We just need a session get the message if there is. Okay, so if you just reload the page and just go and log out this page, oh, there's a problem. Auth guard auth admin is not defined. So let me just debug this problem real quick. So if you just check the error once, I think the error is auth guard auth admin is not defined. That could be inside our controller. Oh yeah, we don't need to directly say that auth guard here. We simply say just destroy this admin guard here. Okay, so if you just go and reload the page again, and there we go, I have been logged out successfully. And if I just try to go to our dashboard, that will again redirect us back here. And if I just go to open our products, admin slash products, and again that redirect us to login page. If we just go to say orders, and of course that redirect us to login page. So that's it. The authentication is perfectly working. So if you just once the final touch, if you just log the user in, there we go, we can we have been logged in, and we can check our products, each and everything working fine. Okay, so if something does not work, for example, if I just click on add product, that is basically we need to set the prefix in our add product page. Okay, and if I just click again on logout page, okay, that's a problem. Oh yeah, that's a problem. We should solve this out. Okay, so if I just click on logout, that's why the problem is if I just say admin slash products 1 and admin logout. Okay, let's just check the error. What's the problem going on that we are we might just did a mistake, but this is not a mistake, and thank God we just got the error to make you understand what's the problem. Okay, so to solve this problem, because we are directly telling just in this, where are you, just go to admin and logout. So simply in this problem we will use the URL part. You should use URL everywhere. Okay, and there are other helpers. If you go to just Laravel documentation, you can see many other helpers. Basically these are just few small problems that you should fix, these type of little issues. Okay, if you are facing these in your project. So I'll say admin slash logout. So if I just go again and reload the page, And now if I just click on logout, that's exactly working perfectly. So once again, and congratulations, you just made it. Your admin panel is just completed, right? And now it's time to work on the front area of our website. For example, the shopping cart, all this stuff that we'll be discussing in the next series. So once again, congratulations, you just made it. If you have any problem, you can ask in the forums. So see you in the next section.